Welcome to Dalian Maritime University Music Night Show. Tonight, the campus is filled with lights, laughter, and beautiful voices. Five singers are here to share their songs with the crowd, and we will take you above it all stunning drone views. This is not just a concert, this is a celebration of talent, friendship, and the spirit of the university. As the show begins, the stage lights shine like stars in the night. From the drone, you can see the crowd gathering, excited and ready for music. The first singer stepped onto the stage, their soft voice opening the evening with the calm and emotion. The second singer brings energy, rising the mood with a lively performance that makes the audience cheer. Flying higher, you can see the whole campus glowing, students waving lights, friends dancing together, and the stage standing tall at the center. The third singer connects the crowd, singing with passion. Every note echoes across the night sky. Then comes with the fourth performance, powerful and bright, making the energy rise even more. Finally, the fifth singer takes the spot, closing the lineup with a song that brings everyone together, voice joining the harmony. From above, the view is magical. The lights, the music, and the happiness thousands of people. Every corner of university is alive with sound of movement. This is more than just a show, it's a memory that will last forever. As the final notes fade into the light, the stage lights slowly dim, the crowd is still filled with excitement, smiling, clapping, and taking pictures to remember the moment. From the sky, it looked like the sea of joy. One unforgettable night of Dalian Maritime University. Thanks for watching the music night from above. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing drone views and unseen moments from China. Until next time, keep flying, keep dreaming, and keep enjoying the music of life.